Hello students, we're going to continue with multiplication of whole numbers. If we're going over several videos on multiplication of whole numbers, it's because pretty much everything you're going to be doing in almost anything in algebra is going to use as primary means multiplication or addition. Let me show you some problems, real problems that you might encounter in real life. For example, let's go into my Blackboard. I'm going to erase what I had that before. And then we're going to go through a problem. Some people call this application problems. One of the following normally you use in everyday life, you just don't realize that you do. For example, a pharmacist assistant earns $640. We're going to put everything that the problem gives us over here on one side, and in the other side we're going to be solving the problem. So on the left hand side I'm going to have all the information that the problem is giving me, and on the right hand side I'm going to solve the problem. This is a good strategy for you to know when you're trying to solve word problems. So a pharmacist assistant earns $640 for working a 40-hour week. So we know she works 40 hours. This week the assistant also works 7 hours of overtime. This 7 hours is an overtime, so I'm pretty sure that she got paid much more money per hour. In this case, the overtime is paid at $26 per hour. Let's see what the problem is asking. Find the assistant's total pay for the week. You'll probably be doing this as you work in your own job, trying to calculate how much you will get paid for the week or for the month. So we know that she got paid $640 for working 40 hours a week. So 640, which is how much money she make for 40 hours. So let's try to do this with multiplication. First, we're going to take the 26 hours. We're going to calculate the overtime. $26 an hour times 7. That gives us $182 of overtime pay. And then we're going to calculate and we're going to add that to the total hours for the week. We know that she made $640 for working the week. 640 plus 182 will calculate the total pay for the week. We just need to add the numbers. The total will be $822. So now we know the assistant earned $822 this week. In the next video, we're going to continue by exploring how to do division with whole numbers. I see you then.